Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a miniature puff stitch, also known as the bean stitch. By the way,
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.
to begin, chain 25 or any odd number of chains. Skip the first 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain, insert your hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert hook, and draw up a loop. Yarn over again, insert hook, and draw up a loop. You'll have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1. That is 1 bean stitch. Skip a chain. Insert hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over and insert hook, draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert hook, and draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through. Then chain 1. Skip the next chain and repeat it all again. And here's another bean stitch. Repeat this across the row. At the end, put your last bean stitch in the very last chain. You can see what it looks like. Now, chain 2 and turn your work. You'll have to pull apart your puff stitches to see where to insert your hook. Repeat the process of making a bean stitch. Pull apart your next stitches to find the chain to work into. And here's another bean stitch. Continue this process across the row. At the end, make your last bean stitch. To change colors, cut your yarn and insert the new yarn like this. Pull it tightly. Chain 2 with the new color yarn and turn your work. With this new color yarn, make your bean stitches, pulling apart the stitches as needed to find where to insert your hook. And that's it. That's how I make the bean stitch.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.